Today we're looking at the incredible 2026 R1250 GS. The integrated panniers and that signature boxer engine make this the ultimate touring machine.
Welcome back, riders. Welcome back to Biker Wish, the channel where legends don't retire, they evolve. Now buckle up, because today we're talking about a bike that doesn't ask for permission, it takes over the road. Yep, the BMW R1250 GS 2026. And let me warn you right now, this is not just a motorcycle, this is an attitude with wheels. Let me hit you with a hook real quick. If you could own one bike to cross cities, deserts, mountains, and still pull up at a cafe looking like a boss, would this be it? Stay till the end, because the answer might just cost you your savings, Demon. The 2026 BMW R1250 GS comes in swinging harder than ever. BMW didn't reinvent the GS, because you don't mess with a king, but they sharpened every edge. This bike still screams, go anywhere, do anything, but now it does it with more tech, more refinement, and way more flex. Let's talk engine, because this is where the GS shows its muscle. You're still getting that legendary 1254cc boxer twin, but in 2026, it feels smoother, smarter, and angrier in the best way possible. Around 136 horsepower and 143 newton-meters of torque, but numbers don't tell the full story. Twist the throttle and the torque hits like instant confidence. No drama, no lag, just pure, controlled aggression. It pulls hard from low RPMs, making overtakes feel illegal but addictive. And oh yes, BMW's ShiftCam technology is back and dialed in even better. That means calm and civilized when cruising, and absolute beast mode when you decide to send it. This bike doesn't scream for attention, it commands it. Now let's talk ride quality, because this is where the R1250 GS embarrasses half the market. BMW's telelever front suspension and paralever rear are still doing black magic. Broken roads, potholes, gravel, snow, the GS just shrugs and keeps moving. The dynamic ESA in 2026 feels almost psychic, adjusting in real time to your riding style, load, and terrain. You ride it hard, it tightens up. You relax, it smooths out. Toxic relationship? No. Perfect partnership. Highway miles feel effortless. Long-distance touring on this bike feels like cheating. Wind protection is excellent, the riding posture is upright and commanding, and even after hours in the saddle, you still feel fresh enough to keep going. This is the bike that makes 1,000-mile days feel like a flex instead of a punishment. Now, here's where things get spicy. The electronics package on the 2026 R1250 GS is straight-up premium flex. You've got multiple ride modes, including Rain, Road, Dynamic, Enduro, and Enduro Pro. Traction control, cornering ABS, hill start assist, engine braking control. BMW basically said, relax, we got you. The TFT display is big, sharp, and super intuitive. Navigation, ride data, bike status, it's all right there, clean and smooth. And yes, smartphone connectivity is seamless because it's 2026, and anything less would be embarrassing. Let's not ignore the design, because this bike looks like it could survive the apocalypse. The beak is aggressive, the stance is wide and confident, and the overall presence screams dominance. It's not flashy like a superbike, it's powerful in a quiet, dangerous way. The kind of bike that doesn't need to race, because it knows it'll win in the long run. Off-road? Oh, don't get it twisted. For a bike this big, the R1250 GS moves off-road like it has something to prove. With proper tires and Enduro Pro mode, it becomes a mountain goat with an MBA. Standing on the pegs feels natural, balance is excellent, and the torque makes climbing loose terrain feel effortless. This bike will take you places where your friends will say, "You came here on that?" Now, let's talk real talk, price. This is not a budget bike. The The 2026 R1250 GS comes with a premium price tag, especially once you start adding packages. But here's the thing, you're not just buying a motorcycle, you're buying freedom, reliability, resale value, and a machine that can literally replace 3 bikes in your garage. Final verdict time? The BMW R1250 GS 2026 is not for everyone, and that's exactly why it's special. It's for riders who want no limits, riders who don't want to choose between comfort and performance, between touring and adventure, between tech and soul. If you had to own just one bike to rule them all, yeah, this might be it. So tell me this, would you take the 2026 R1250 GS across the country or straight into the wild? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if this bike fired you up, and don't forget to subscribe to Biker Wish, because legends ride here. Until next time, ride hard, ride smart, and keep wishing for better bikes. Fire!
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.